Okay guys, I finally got my new fridge, and here are my favorite features. First is this automatic water pitcher. I literally just put it in this spot and it fills up automatically, and I can infuse it with whatever I want. Second is this drawer. It has dividers that slide around, so if you're like trying to make a Pinterest fridge, this is the best way to do it for sure. Third is this little slider. It just helps with tall things. Same right here. Makes everything fit super nicely and easily. You don't have to worry about it. Lastly is this door. It literally opens to make anything easily accessible from this spot specifically. And that's it.